Imagine the sun kissing the golden sands, the shimmering skyscrapers mirroring the azure sky, and the lively bustle of a city that never sleeps. Welcome to Dubai's summer. In this season, the city radiates an energy that's both vibrant and invigorating. As the mercury rises, so does the tempo of this bustling metropolis, transforming it into a hub of endless events, activities, and experiences. From the traditional souks echoing with the charm of the old world to the ultra-modern architectural marvels that define the city's skyline, Dubai's summer offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. And it's not just the city's aura. The people too, locals and visitors alike, carry a palpable enthusiasm, adding to the city's vibrant energy. So whether you're a thrill seeker, a foodie, a shopaholic, or a beach bum, Dubai's summer has something for you. Dubai in summer is a spectacle to behold, an adventure to experience. Pack your bags and get ready to discover the top 5 summer vacations in this city of dreams. At number 5, brace yourselves for a splash of fun and thrill at Dubai's world-class water parks. Imagine yourself cruising through the heart-thumping twists and turns of a water slide, then being spat out into a crystal-clear pool with a resounding splash. This is just a taste of the exhilarating experiences that await you at Dubai's water parks. Let's start with Aquaventure. Nestled within the Atlantis, the Palm Resort, Aquaventure is an aquatic wonderland that offers more than just the usual water slides. Here you can take a daring leap of faith on a near-vertical slide that catapults you through a clear tube surrounded by sharks and rays. If you're looking for something a bit more serene, the lazy river offers a leisurely float through lush landscapes and cascading waterfalls. Then there's Wild Wadi, another iconic water park in Dubai. Located in front of the stunning Burj Al Arab, Wild Wadi boasts over 30 rides and attractions. From the gravity-defying Jumeirah Sira to the wave-ridden Breakers Bay, there's no shortage of wet and wild fun to be had. But it's not all about thrill-seeking at these water parks. Both Aquaventure and Wild Wadi offer a family-friendly environment with dedicated areas for younger kids. These include shallow pools, miniature slides, and interactive play structures that ensure even the smallest members of the family can make a splash. When it comes to safety, both parks adhere to the highest standards. Trained lifeguards are stationed at every ride, and comprehensive safety briefings are provided before you embark on any of the more daring attractions. And let's not forget about the amenities. From convenient lockers and changing rooms to a variety of dining options, everything you need for a day of aquatic fun is at your fingertips. With adrenaline-pumping rides and relaxing lounges, Dubai's water parks promise a refreshing escape from the summer heat. So, whether you're a thrill seeker or simply looking to cool off, you're sure to find something to make a splash about. Coming in at number 4, get ready for a shopping extravaganza like no other at the Dubai Summer Surprises. This annual event is a retail celebration and a summer spectacle that's been dazzling visitors for over 20 years. The Dubai Summer Surprises is a festival that's all about massive sales, exclusive launches, and entertainment shows. It's a citywide shopping fiesta that offers incredible deals on everything from fashion to electronics. It's not just about the discounts, though, it's about the thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the pure satisfaction of scoring a great deal. But what makes this shopping festival truly extraordinary is the shopping experience at megamalls like the Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. These are not just shopping centers, they are microcosms of the city itself. The Dubai Mall, for example, is a retail and entertainment destination like no other. It's home to over 1,000 stores, an aquarium, and even an indoor theme park. And then there's the Mall of the Emirates, a shopping resort renowned for its unique mix of retail, dining, and entertainment. During the Dubai Summer Surprises, these malls turn into a shopper's paradise. The aisles come alive with excitement, the shelves are stocked with the latest trends, and the air is filled with the scent of new possibilities. And when you're done shopping, you can sit back and enjoy a show. The festival is known for its world-class entertainment, from live concerts to theatrical performances. So whether you're a seasoned shopaholic or a casual browser, the Dubai Summer Surprises has something for you. It's a place where you can shop till you drop, discover new brands, and indulge in a retail therapy like no other. And with the summer sales season in full swing, there's no better time to visit. At Dubai Summer Surprises, shop till you drop and enjoy a summer full of surprises. It's not just a shopping festival, it's an experience. So come and join the party because the countdown has begun and the surprises are just getting started. Number 3 brings a feast for your taste buds at Dubai's delightful food festivals. Imagine a place where the world's cuisines converge, creating a gastronomic paradise. That's exactly what awaits you in Dubai during the summer months. Street food, gourmet delicacies, traditional Emirati dishes, and international cuisines. You name it, you'll find it here. Start your culinary adventure with the annual Dubai Food Festival, a citywide event that celebrates the diverse food scene. Here, you'll find everything from food trucks serving up innovative fusion dishes to stalls offering traditional Middle Eastern cuisine. The aroma of spices wafting through the air is irresistible, and the variety of dishes is astounding. Whether you're a fan of spicy, sweet, or savory, there's something for everyone. Then there's the Taste of Dubai. This food and drink festival is a must-visit for foodies. It features an array of live cooking demonstrations from top chefs, gourmet dining experiences, and a marketplace where you can buy unique food products. You can sample dishes from Dubai's top restaurants, indulge in wine tastings, and even participate in culinary masterclasses. But it's not just about the food. These festivals also offer live entertainment, making the experience even more enjoyable. You can groove to the music while enjoying a plate of delicious food. Dubai's food festivals are also a great place to learn about different cultures through their cuisines. Let your taste buds travel the world, from the spicy curries of India to the flavorful tagines of Morocco, the smoky barbecue of America to the delicate sushi of Japan. And let's not forget about the desserts. From traditional Arabic sweets like baklava and kunafa to contemporary creations like artisanal gelato and gourmet cupcakes, your sweet tooth will certainly be satisfied. Dubai's food festivals are a culinary adventure like no other. They offer a feast for your taste buds, a chance to try new foods, and an opportunity to learn about different cultures. So when you're in Dubai this summer, make sure you have your appetite ready. Embark on a culinary adventure and experience the city's gastronomic delights this summer. At number 2, experience the glitz and glamour of Dubai's nightlife at its hip clubs. The city buzzes with energy as the sun sets, transforming into a vibrant playground for the night owls. Dubai's nightlife is a melting pot of cultures, offering something for everyone, from pulsating dance floors to serene beachside lounges. Popular clubs like White Dubai, Blue Marlin Ibiza, and Base have become the go-to spots for those seeking an exhilarating night out. White Dubai, perched atop the Meydan Racecourse Grandstand, is renowned for its incredible rooftop view and electrifying atmosphere, making it a must-visit for the partygoers. Meanwhile, Blue Marlin Ibiza transports you to the Mediterranean with its beach club vibes and delectable cuisine. This club is a haven for those who prefer a laid-back party scene amidst the sound of crashing waves. Base, on the other hand, is a game-changer. This super club offers an immersive experience with its spectacular light shows and world-class DJ lineup. It's a place where you can dance the night away, forgetting all about the world outside. Dubai's nightlife also boasts an impressive roster of live music scenes. From jazz to rock, pop to EDM, the city's music scene is as diverse as its population. With pulsating music and stunning views, Dubai's nightlife promises an unforgettable summer night. And finally, at number 1, unwind and rejuvenate at Dubai's luxury beach resorts. Imagine yourself basking in the sun, sipping on a chilled cocktail and taking in the breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf. Welcome to the world of Dubai's luxury beach resorts. These are not just accommodations, they are experiences that promise to elevate your summer vacation to another level. Take, for example, the iconic Burj Al Arab, known as the world's only 7-star hotel. It boasts of opulent suites, 9 world-class restaurants and bars, and a private beach where you can relax in utmost privacy and comfort. Then we have the Atlantis The Palm, a resort that's a world of its own. With its own water park, underwater suites, and a host of dining options, it's a destination that caters to every whim and fancy. And let's not forget the Jumeirah Beach Hotel, a stunning architectural marvel that offers panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf from every room. Its 6 swimming pools, 21 restaurants and bars, and a private beach ensure you have everything you need for a luxurious vacation. These resorts, along with many others in Dubai, offer a blend of luxury, comfort, and world-class services that are hard to match. They're the perfect places to unwind, rejuvenate, and enjoy the finer things in life. Relax on the sandy beaches, plunge into the turquoise waters, and soak up the sun at Dubai's luxury beach resorts.